Hello, my name is Jeremy Swatzak. I'm a senior here at Carthage College studying allied health science. My hopes and dreams are to become an occupational therapist one day, and these are my 5 favorite things about Carthage College. My first favorite thing at Carthage College has to be the gymnasium. Semler Gym is an amazing place to have a great community, open nearly all hours of the week to all students on campus, and is a beautiful place to end your day and really feel like you had a great day at Carthage. My second favorite thing at Carthage College has to be the cafeteria on campus. Absolutely love the idea of unlimited food for one meal swipe, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Even take a green box if you really want to. Best place to meet friends and just have a good time. I love Carthage Caf. My third favorite thing at Carthage College has to be the anatomy labs. I love anything and everything about the human body, and those labs come with the best technology, best models, and great faculty that allow you to teach everything you need. My fourth favorite thing at Carthage College has to be the Red Zone. It's a convenience store located in the Student Union here on campus, and it's a great place to get anything that you couldn't find usually on campus. I can use birdie bucks, I can use a meal swipe, I can even use regular card. It's a great place to kind of meet anybody and everybody, and it's a great place to get things that you wouldn't usually get on campus. My fifth and final favorite thing here on Carthage College campus has to be the Tower Terrace. Specifically for the studying that happens there, it's located in the Tower, which is a residence hall right next to Lake Michigan overlooking it. And it's a great place to study with some friends, very comfortable, very spacious, and pretty quiet for being a residence hall.